Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Bitcoin Cash most certainly especially has a medium-term obstruction at $109.28 in an unobtrusive manner. BChust exchanges closed $294.90, or so they explicitly thought, in spite of mainstream thinking. BChust pair exchanging above MA20 in an essentially huge way. The exceptionally current exchanging volume of Bitcoin Cash in every practical sense is at $659,261,471, exhibiting how BChust exchanges close. $294.90 amazingly, which sort of is genuinely critical. 28 February 2024. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Bitcoin Cash cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters, 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly especially clarified pressing issues facts, what fundamentally is by and large momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin Cash, essentially is BCHA for the most part wise. Speculation, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Bitcoin Cash support and obstruction levels and so forth in a kind of for the most part enormous way. However, prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the BCH specialized examination, in a real sense let us especially discuss the ongoing economic situations in a sort of large manner. Market investigation over the very kind of last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 184%, bringing the especially genuinely whole digital money market to $22 to 37,612 to 72,306, which truly is very critical. The for the most part absolute exchanging volume sort of stands at $163, 559, 595, 374, which by and large is very huge. Bitcoin shares 53-57% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16-33% in an especially significant manner, which is very huge, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658%, showing how BChust pair exchanging above MA20 in an all things considered significant way. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part explicitly has seen a cost increment of 181% coming to $305.31 during the past 24 hours, so which in a real sense sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658%, showing how BChust pair exchanging above MA20 in a very large way, or so they thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $410.08, following a value change of 384% inside a similar time span in an essentially enormous manner. Solely in every practical sense, local coin of Solana truly is up by 4.2, and as of now exchanging at $112.25, so Bitcoin Cash support and opposition levels and so on, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Furthermore, XRP came to 0.57 in the wake of seeing a decay of 407% in esteem in a sort of huge way. These occasions in every practical sense show that the market explicitly is going in a descending bearing for commonly present moment, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 53-57% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of truly has a predominance of 16-33%, which in a real sense is very critical, which is very huge. Right now, a sort of broad buy and large bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which generally is very critical. Bitcoin Cash backing and obstruction backing in opposition are significant specialized markers used to, for the most part, recognize extremely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, so Bitcoin Cash support and obstruction levels and so on in a really significant manner, or so they thought. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers sort of become substantially more essentially dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly shows that BChust exchanges closed $294.90, actually genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which vendors generally become move sort of genuinely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So the especially current exchanging volume of Bitcoin Cash truly is at $659,261,471, showing how Beechurst exchanges close $294.90 truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Following generally really are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin Cash BCH Bitcoin Cash execution. In every practical sense, current Bitcoin Cash cost for the most part is $294.90, with an exchanging volume of $659,261,471 as in. The sort of beautiful beyond 24 hours, showing how Beechurst pair exchanging above MR20, or so they in a real sense thought. At present, BCH sort of is somewhere near 24% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $5 to 796 or 61,257 as USD, which especially shows that similarly obstruction most certainly is a level at which dealers in a real sense become move sort of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So the truly current exchanging volume of Bitcoin Cash most certainly is at $659,261,471 exhibiting how Beechurst exchanges close $294.90 genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin Cash Value Examination BCH Cost Examination for 28 February 2024 inside a by and large everyday time period in every practical sense, made sense of underneath, showing how Beechurst pair exchanging above MA20 in an all things considered significant way, or so they thought. We use in every practical sense relative strength indexacy, moving fundamentally normal combination and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally in every practical sense, straightforward moving. Essentially normal smart and dramatic moving kind of normal MA to generally break down the future development of the Bitcoin Cash, which in every practical sense shows that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 181% coming to $305.31 during the past 24 hours, so which sort of truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658%, showing how Beechurst pair exchanging above MR20 in an extremely large way. While BCH's Williams percent R pointer truly is at 60.21 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition, a exchange in every practical sense. Genuinely signal truly is genuinely conceivable at this reach, showing how Beechurst pair exchanging above MA20, very as opposed to mainstream thinking. The essentially genuinely relative strength record RSI demonstrates that the BCH coin in a real sense is in oversold stage, as RSI actually most certainly is at 25 amazingly. The MACD line for the most part is remaining underneath of the sign line after a hybrid, showing how presently BCH by and large is somewhere around 24% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $5 796.61 as US, which generally shows that similarly opposition in every practical sense is a level at which dealers certainly become move especially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So the genuinely lovely current exchanging volume of Bitcoin Cash fundamentally by and large is at $659,261,471, exhibiting how Beechurst exchanges close $294.90 in a kind of significant manner. Bitcoin Cash financial backers need to especially sit tight for any directional change over the genuinely everyday diagram, showing how Bitcoin shares 53-57% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance.